One thing that we learned in PSC2 was we learned how to use an SAV box. The S stands for the ratio of the side lengths. And when I look at the story for this example number 4, I can see that 5:7 explains the side length ratio. Now, when I look back at the problem, it says I'm trying to compare volumes. So I'm going to get rid of this area part of the box, and I want to use my side length ratio to find a volume ratio. So I'll cube the 5 and I'll cube the 7, and that will give me 125 over 343. This is the ratio that I will set up to try and find the volume of the small cylinder. Now I know the volume of the large cylinder is right here. And I can see that the bottom is where I'm putting my larger numbers. So I will put the large cylinder here. Cross multiply. That will give you the answer to the volume of the small cylinder. Don't forget to put your label. Now that's exactly the same problem now. So let's take a look at problem number 1 on the review. We will start by looking at an SAV box, and it tells me right now that the ratio of the spheres or the side lengths is 2:5. And then I'm trying to compare the ratio of their volumes. So I'm going to scratch off area, and I know to find the ratio of the volume, I will cube both the top and the bottom of that ratio, and that will give me a total of 8 over 125. That's the answer for the ratio of the volumes. Number 3 is done very similarly. So if I go down here to number 3, again, I'm making an SAV box because they tell me the ratio of the areas, but I want to find the missing radius, which is a missing side length. It's a one-dimensional. So it says the area is 9:16. To work backwards to get a side length ratio, you take the square root. That gives me 3/4. So now 3/4 is the ratio of the radiuses. And I can see right here the smaller radius is 18. So I'll put that on top. Use your cross multiply. That will give you that radius.